Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a puppet made of socks. First, gather your materials. You will need one clean sock, ideally a crew or knee-high, as these provide ample space for a hand and features. Also, collect craft glue, a pair of scissors, and various decorative items like buttons, googly eyes, or yarn for hair. Don't forget some stuffing material such as cotton balls or fabric scraps to give your puppet shape. A needle and thread are optional for extra durability. Next, let's create the puppet's mouth and head. Flatten your sock and mark a line across the toe area, about 2 to 3 inches from the very tip. Carefully cut along this line, which will create 2 flaps that will become the puppet's mouth. Fold these cut edges inward and secure them with a bit of craft glue to give the mouth a clean, finished look. Now, gently stuff the toe area above the mouth with cotton or other soft material to form a nice, rounded head for your puppet. Now it's time to give your puppet some personality with eyes and hair. Take 2 buttons or googly eyes and securely glue them onto the puppet's head, positioned above the mouth. For hair, cut several strands of yarn, each about 6 to 8 inches in length. Apply a line of glue across the top of the puppet's head and press the yarn strands onto it, creating a fun hairstyle. You can even add small pieces of felt or yarn for eyebrows or eyelashes to enhance its expression. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and get ready to play. Feel free to attach any additional decorations you like, such as felt shapes for ears, fabric scraps for clothing, or colorful pom-poms. You can also use fabric markers or paint to draw on extra details like freckles, a tongue inside the mouth, or even a small nose. Make sure all the glue dries completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once dry, simply insert your hand into the sock, and your brand new puppet is ready to perform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.